Tired of the door on your Whirlpool electric range slamming open or refusing to shut completely? I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and I'm here to guide you through the process of getting that pesky door back to working smoothly. Often the culprit is a worn out door hinge, and believe it or not, it's easier than you might think to replace it, even for a beginner. So why wait? Let's dive in and have your range's door closing just right in no time. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a Flathead screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your electric range by unplugging it or turn the breaker off. With the power safely disconnected, let's move on and take a closer look at those door hinges. If you open your oven door and it feels like there's no counterbalance, like it just wants to drop, that's a strong sign the hinge has failed. On this model, the hinge setup is a little different. The right hinge is the active hinge with a spring that supports the door, while the left hinge is passive and doesn't provide any counterbalance. So if the door is dropping, the active hinge is usually the one to blame. Let's take a closer look. Open the door and flip the hinge locks into the removal position. Lift the door straight up and out, then set it face up on a flat surface. Next, grab a Phillips screwdriver and remove the 2 screws at the bottom corners of the front door panel. Slide the panel down, lift it off, and set it aside. Now inspect the right hinge carefully. Look for bent or broken parts. In this case, the spring has snapped, which confirms the hinge has failed. Since the hinge is broken, let's replace it. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 screws at the bottom and 1 on the inner portion of the inner door panel that hold the hinge in place. Once the screws are out, lift the hinge up and out of the panel. Here's the old active door hinge and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Set the hinge in place and secure it with the 3 screws. Slide the front door panel back into place and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Set the door into the oven hinge receivers, then open it fully and push the hinge locks back down towards the oven. With that, the repair is complete and your oven door should now open and close smoothly. Plug the power cord back in. Thanks for joining us today. Now that you've identified the issue with your Whirlpool electric range's door, don't wait to get it fixed. Head over to AppliancePartsPros.com with your range's model number to easily order a new door hinge. Most orders arrive within just a couple of days, so you'll be ready to tackle the installation in no time. Once your repair is complete, we'd love to hear from you. Share your experience or any tips you discovered in the comments below. We're here to support your do-it-yourself journey every step of the way.